The daily code snippet. Another way of understanding semantic markup is that it is adding more meaning. So we can look at the bold element and the strong element to understand the difference between structural and semantic markup. When you apply the bold opening tag and the bold closing tag, any characters in between will appear bolded. This is indicating that the content between the strong opening tag and the strong closing tag is important. However, the default result in both cases is that the words will appear bolded. It highlights the words that the viewer should notice more than others. Presented by Designers Learn Code.